Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix your Google microphone. If your microphone is not working in the Google, how you can fix them in your Redmi A4 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Google. Here it is search, and you can see when you just click on it, here it is showing. First you have to allow this to record audio. You have to click on it, and if there is something problem when you just open the microphone and it will not recognize your voice, then you have to press back, go to the Google, long press it, click on I button. You have to clear the cache from here. Here it is storage, click on clear cache. If you want to clear data you can, then simply press back, click on app permissions. You will see here it is microphone. If it is disabled, you can see if the microphone is disabled, you have to enable it from here, and this will fix your microphone of your Google. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.